else, but the stress is too much. Welcome to Ricky and Brenda's The Great Escape.
Hello, I'm Ricky from Ricky and Brenda's The Great Escape, also creator of the Bible Miniseries. Today, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to see the miniseries on Spotify. Once you are on your device, whether it's your phone, tablet, laptop, just like any other application, you will go to your app store, like so, and then you will search for Spotify, which is going to look like that. I'm sorry if it's a little blurry, but right there maybe. Once you install it, then you're just going to open it. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything, and Spotify is just an application, a platform for you to mainly to listen to music, but there's much more than just that. You can also, depending on what your interests are, you can listen to podcasts of all type, whether it's sports, religion, politics, news. So many things are here on this application. To follow us, once you have installed and put your information to get the free account, then you will just search for the Bible Miniseries. This one is the Spanish one because we have them both, Spanish and English. But the English one, again, is the Bible Miniseries. Is going to pop up. Then just make sure that you click on the follow button right there. That's going to help us a lot to continue growing. And from there, that's it. That's all you have to do. Once you have it, it's going to look similar to this. You can just click on any episode that's there. You can look for the episodes. So if you scroll down, you'll see all the episodes right here. And they should be, not that they should be, they actually are all, they're like in order. You'll see a letter with a number. For example, A1, that's going to be your Genesis. And then B1, it's going to be your Exodus. And then C1, your Leviticus, and so on. And then I'm going to, starting numbers forward, they're all going to have 12 episodes. Genesis has 7. And then Exodus has 12 episodes. And Leviticus had a little more. That one is 18. Then numbers and forward, for the most part, it's going to be around 12 episodes. So it's very easy to watch the episodes in order. So you start in A1 and then continue that way. These are shorts of the Bible. The goal is to do from Genesis all the way to Revelation, one short at a time. So these episodes, they're only a couple of minutes each episode. So thank you for your support. We hope that you enjoy them, and may God bless.
What if the greatest escape story ever told was brought to life like never before?
Ricky and Brenda invite you into a cinematic journey through the Bible. Faith, miracles, and the power of God. Experience Genesis, Exodus, and Leviticus now starting June 1st. Experience the Bible series from Genesis to Revelation in short episodes made in a powerful cinematic production. Follow the Bible Miniseries on Spotify and join us as we bring God's Word to life, one episode at a time. Support the Bible Miniseries through our GoFundMe and help us continue sharing the Bible with the world. And thank you, and God bless.